Trendy Sticker nails. We are going to use weaver gels on this one, and I'm using a pure white, and we are going to using just all little sticks, and I just use a Scotch tape and tape it together to make it easy. And then you can do like a 3, 4, 5 line at the same time. If you want the line to be thicker, you pick up more weaver gels. If you want the line to be thinner, you definitely can just pick up a little bit of weaver gels, and you can do it many times as you want. Sorry, it's just Instagram, and it just... right there.
It looks so cute. I'm having to watch it on the camera. It looks so good though.
And I'm gonna wipe it off.
And
I'm gonna
Instagram.
flash here for quicks, like 10 seconds. And here is the pure white weaver gel. And then we are gonna start. Next, I am going to do is super adorable. It's 3D handcrafted flowers. Just go right. How is that gonna work? It looks so bright on my gloves. Okay, it's good to see both of our nails in the show. Yes, Nene.
No.
All right. So what we're gonna do is condensed glue gel, really thick density. So yours going to just apply really thin coat, not too thick, not too thin. I say thin, but it's not like super thin. You want enough so then it definitely with your no wet top coat, it will grab the crystal in one place. But you don't want to doing it too thick because it's going to flood your crystals. I don't know, is Facebook here anything? Hopefully it does.
I hope so.
And then we're gonna go in the no web chocolate. Normally Vicky talk a lot.
I know. I'm just watching. I'm watching it on my Instagram. Yeah. So then also, if you don't know already, we're gonna be at the Chicago show. What is that? September 11th it starts. September 11th, 12th, and 13th. We'll be at the ABS Chicago Beauty Show. You can meet our whole team. Well, almost our whole team. Dom can't be there, but you'll be able to meet the rest of our team. You can meet Nancy. You can see we have some stuff that's coming out just for the show. We're going to launch it at the show. So you'll get to see that. We'll have tons of specials, giveaways.
Hold on. Did I do a top coat? I did, huh?
You just did top coat? Yeah.
Okay.
I know. We're so tired, you guys. We've been working every single day since I got here. And I was only home for 3 days. So we start... we get up at like 7 and we get here usually 8 or 9, and then we go home. Last night we went home at 12:30.
1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And tonight we'll probably go home again because I leave tomorrow, so we'll probably work until about 1 o'clock tonight again. But we're trying to get it all done. We want to be able to open so you guys can come to a grand opening, and then we have to get ready for the show. So we've been getting ready for the show and getting the showroom done. We've just been so busy.
And you guys been muting this thing.
Is
Oh
it
my
muted?
goodness.
That's
Sorry.
why they couldn't hear
How
you.
is it
Say
mute?
hi bye.
Hey everyone.
So for Facebook,
Why is
YouTube,
mute
and
though?
Twitch, yes. They forgot
Sorry.
to turn on the mic for like the good 20 minutes.
I know.
Now we good.
I didn't know.
We're trying to run this one at the same time. So we have 3 views. Sorry everyone, but we are here still all the time. We didn't realize that we have it mute.
Oh, that would be awesome if you can come. That's not far, 4.5 hours.
It's gonna be
show,
awesome.
The show is so much fun. If you guys haven't ever gone to a trade show, it is amazing. I mean, you'll get to see us, but then you get to see all the different, so many companies come up with new products. So it just helps you. You can get demos at the booth, and you learn so much. They've got lots of classes. It's just a really amazing experience to go to the beauty show. That looks so stinking cute. I love this. I love handcrafted flowers, you guys. I have the whole kit. I don't have all of them. I'm gonna order the flower fish. That's like my favorite. I usually, every time Nancy does my nails, I'm like, flower fish.
I came visit her and
Oh, I did that.
her crystal, I don't know, her flower case, she put it in the cage and with a lock.
I love it. I love handcrafted flower. It just makes it so fast. I love doing 4D gel too because it's a totally different look. But the handcrafted flower, you just seen her put it on. It's like done.
It's like done if you want to get.
And some of my customers, that's all they want. It's like, okay.
Oh my God.
Hello, Dee. Hi, Ann.
Oh my God, that's why Cece was mentioned on
But
Facebook.
she couldn't hear.
She couldn't hear. I'm sorry.
Sorry, everybody. Didn't see that it was on mute. So again, don't forget our sale is going on right now. You can get up to 50% off. I know the transfer foil that we just put on my nail is on sale, 50% off. The crystal kit that she's using right now is also the glow-in-the-dark crystal kit, #1. It's back in stock again. It's on sale, plus then you also get the Trifecta for free.
Yes, Trifecta is back in the stock.
And that
stock
works with
now.
everything. Even if you just want to encapsulate glitter, you can put your glitter on using like the transfer foil gel, put the glitter on, and then encapsulate it if you're using a bulkier glitter, and then just top coat at the same time, cure it, done. And then you can use my code VickyJ. It'll give you free shipping on orders of $79 or more. Look at this, is so cute. My nails are so little for right now because I knew it was coming to work here, so I did not make them long. I cut them off and I did short nails.
Still longer than my nails.
Your nails are super, that's the tiniest I've ever seen them. And you've had them that way for over a month now, right?
Okay.
So now what frames you're using, the frames?
I'm using all the metal frame. It's like, and you can cut it from the kits as well, and also it's metal. This is so
It
adorable.
looks so gorgeous. It's so simple, but so incredibly beautiful.
All right, so wanna keep for 60 seconds.
This is like so